Greetings guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're on location in South Carolina. I want to show you with your own two eyes 3 brand new construction homes that are under the price of $300,000. So give me a thumbs up if you're good with that. Now all these homes have a location that's just 17 miles from Myrtle Beach oceanfront. They're not in a flood zone, and of course you get to enjoy that famous low property taxes as a South Carolina resident. So let's dive in. Construction, 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with a 2-car garage, architectural shingles on the roof. Let's take a look inside. So inside, we have the luxury vinyl flooring throughout, the nickel lighting fixtures. Granite countertops are standard, as well as stainless steel appliances. And these are the white cabinets in the kitchen. Big open space here, pretty good floor plan. We'll pan around so you get an idea. Private backyards, pad out here. Here's the primary bedroom with vaulted ceilings. One suite. Double bowl sinks. Commode and shower. Now let's go to the rest of the house. Vaulted ceilings here. Washer dryer. Finished garage. With pull down stairs for storage, LED lighting throughout as well. Affordable living, 276. Here's the second bathroom with granite. The second bedroom with lighting fixture. It is all wired for and plumbed for the ceiling fans. You do get 2 ceiling fans that are standard. So what do you think about this? Let me know in the comments. Now I know some of you have written me and you told me, hey Jerry, you've showed me those $1 million homes and you showed me those cheapest condos on the beach in the United States for under $100,000. What about affordable homes for retirement? What about an affordable home for rent that I could rent out for a few years before I'm ready to move south? So guys, this is the reason that I'm making this video. It's for you. It's 284.4 and it's 1532 square footage. So you're gonna notice a little bigger inside, but the parking is ample and it's a sidewalk community as well. So if you do like to take walks or any of that sort of thing, kind of a quiet neighborhood. So let's go take a tour inside. You'll notice on the outside, got a little bump out here in the kitchen. Front doors have a nice entry that greets you. Again, we'll start through. It's the luxury vinyl floors throughout and vaulted ceiling. This one, as I say, is going to be a little bit bigger than the first starter unit that we showed. Kitchen, again, standard granite countertops. Pantry. And fridge would go there. Missing the globes, but they'll be here. So vaulted ceiling, ceiling fans. Let's go into the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom has a vaulted ceiling here. So again, you get a little bit bigger bedroom as well. The washer and dryer area, as well as, whoop, let me turn the light on. There we go. Light with the pull down stairs. Again, finished garage. At this price point, you do probably get a pretty good amount here. And so again, we look at the flooring, we look at the trim, we look at the walk-in closet. Again, all this is going to be a little bit bigger in the next model up, as well as the bath is going to be a little bit bigger as well. All right, so let's go out to the main area. And we have 2 more bedrooms back here. Here's the second bath. And the second bedroom, which if you look, is bigger than that first, square footage wise. And first house, that is. And then the third bedroom here. Okay, so this next home is $299,900. It's 1,550 square feet. Let's go inside and take a look around. So obviously we can see this is a little bit open room here with a vaulted ceiling. Again, ceiling fans come standard, luxury vinyl flooring throughout, granite countertops, white kitchen cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and something I forgot to tell you about was the soft pulls. So when you pull, they do close. And this is standard on all of these homes. Let's take a vantage point around. Well, this one back in the woods, different lots. Of course, there's 3,000 neighborhoods in our area that we're going to show you when you come to town. This is just one price point. I know a lot of you have asked about affordable homes. And so that's why I'm showing you this. Let's go into the primary bedroom. Has the vaulted ceiling here as well. Let's give you a vantage point from what this looks like. Go into bathroom. Double bowl sinks again, stainless steel, nickel. Not stainless, stainless steel, nickel. And commode, shower. Come back out to the main area of the house. Here we have the main area this direction, but this direction we also have a larger washer dryer area, sanitary tub, a little bit more room. Garage wise here, pull downstairs, here it is in action. Pull downstairs and a finished garage. You know, many homes you go into in a lower price point, you may not get into a finished garage. You start cutting, but this has a lot of features that are standard in this community. And again, pick up the phone, give us a call. This is what we do every day. Help you avoid the pitfalls that are costly. So here's the secondary bath, the third bedroom, and walk-in closet again. And so again, this is the step up from the first two homes that we saw based on square footage, based on a couple extra features. Tell me what you think about this. Put it in the comments. What are your thoughts? Tell me what you're looking for. Tell me what you like to see. Say 3,000 communities in the Myrtle Beach and Grand Strand area. There's a lot to cover. A lot of different price points, pools, neighborhoods with pools. This one, by the way, I forgot to mention one of the best parts about this. People always ask, does it have an HOA? Yeah, it's got an HOA. It's $9 a month. And if you want to have your own, nice little pad out here. If you want to have your own camper or a boat, you can do that in this community. $9 a month. So all HOAs are not necessarily bad HOAs. Take care, guys. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. More videos here on this channel. This is what we do every day. We're good at it. It's Jerry with Jerry Pinkas Real Estate Experts here in sunny Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.